everyone, Tim Schofield here. We're in for a fun video. Have you ever seen a phone that glows in the dark? This is the Nothing Phone 2A Community Edition that had some winners in the Nothing community to impact the design, etc. The hardware design is from Astrid Van Hus and Kenta Akasaki. The wallpaper designs from Andres Mateos. The packaging design, Ian Henry Simmons, and marketing campaign from Sonia Palma. Obviously, sorry if I mispronounce your names, but big shout out to you guys for the inspiration for this phone. Anyways, let's dive into it, the Nothing 2A Community Edition. Here's the Phone 2A Plus from Nothing, Community Edition. Even the box is glow in the dark. Opening it up, let's see what we get inside. Sliding the box off, we get a full white box with some texture, a preview of the back camera system. Flipping it open on the side. Oh, all right, they did get credit. I wanted to make sure they got credit. I didn't realize it was inside the box. I love that Nothing did that. Setting our phone to the side, let's see what else we get. A standard getting started guide and two custom things. First of all, the custom SIM ejection tool that Nothing is known for. Plus their signature USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which also has Nothing branding on it. And of course, on to what you came to see, the Community Edition Nothing 2A Plus, sliding it out. There it is for the first time in very bright light. Real quick, I love how it sort of extends out and you can see through. It has that transparency on the sides as well. It gives it just a really unique look to it. Now I'm gonna press and hold the power button and turn our phone on for the first time. While it boots up, let's take a closer look at the hardware. Down at the bottom, SIM card slot, microphone, USB Type-C port, a speaker, very flat sides, a black on white accent with the power button that I do like. I think it looks really clean. Up towards the top, just another microphone. And then along the left side is where you'll find your two volume rockers. Probably what you're looking for, a close look at the back, that very custom back. And as you can see, a dual camera system. These are dual cameras with a 50 megapixel main sensor and a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And of note, this does have Nothing's signature glyph interface. Anyways, I'm gonna run through the startup process and talk about anything that's noteworthy. Pointing out there is a pre-installed screen protector. You can sort of see it around that camera cutout. I definitely recommend leaving it on. And here we are, all set up and ready to go. A look at that initial wallpaper that comes out of the box. Really sleek. This is their Nothing sort of style instead of the stock Android experience. You can choose the stock Android experience if you'd like to. Going into wallpapers, here's a look at a lot of other ones that you can choose from, just fully customized for the specific theme. These are some of the Nothing ones as well, but I do want to point out that they do have a wallpaper studio, so you can create your own with AI if you'd like. The Phone 2A Plus does have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Testing that out just really quickly. Seems to be very quick and accurate. Okay, now let's move on to it. Let's see how glow in the dark this phone actually is. I found a better way to do it with our glyph timer. Set our phone down for 1 minute. And you'll notice those glyph lights are popping up. It's going to count down. You'll notice this bar start to decrease, and when it hits 0, the lights will go off. There we go. I'm turning the lights off. Okay, the camera's not picking it up, but I can see it. It's actually crazy. Let me turn this alarm off. All right, so you'll see the timer is all done. Check this out, boom. Look at that. It says Nothing. It is fully glow in the dark. To my eye, I can definitely see it. Obviously, I had to turn the lights off and change the camera to actually pick it all up, but to your naked eye, it's very easy to see. Let me actually grab the box as well. There you go. How's that? 2A Plus from nothing. Even the box is glow in the dark. You can barely see the nothing. You can't see it on camera, but the phone itself, actually pretty crazy. This is the first glow in the dark phone I've seen. And just for fun, a really close look. Sorry if things go out of focus for whatever reason. Just so you can really take a peek at that glow in the dark feature of the actual phone. Okay, lights back on so you can see the back and the front with the lights actually on. I really do like how Nothing is working with the community, but also their phones are solid. They do a really good job with their custom skins, making things a little bit more exciting, making things very customizable. And their hardware is great. It's actually a lot of fun to use these phones, snapping pictures. This is digital zoom there. Ultra wide angle lens as well. And don't forget that signature glyph interface. I teased it with that timer. However, your ringtones will actually do something, so they're more than just sound. So if you go to default ringtone and we tap one, it should play it. There we go. So there's a quick look. Turning down the camera so you can just see what they look, just a couple of them look like. I've showed off some of these in past Nothing phone videos. This also works with notifications, just really quick ones, but you can add custom ones so you know what specific notifications coming through based on the lights and the sound. There's flip to glyph, silence on demand, the timer that we already showed off, volume indicator, so audio level at a glance. That's really cool when listening to music. Glyph progress, this is cool. If I had Uber installed, it can actually show me a progress of how close the Uber car is away from me. Music visualization, bedtime timer. Let's actually do composer. So, apparently I need an app, but you can actually make your own sounds via their composer. And like I said, they add nice customization options, such as a nice weather widget, weather app. I've showed off some battery, but there's also multiple widgets that you can add, and they have their own custom ones. So if I say, for example, go to media player, there you go, a 2x2. How about Nothing X or News Reporter, Beta, pedometer, photos. These are all just custom widgets that Nothing adds to their OS. Anyways, that's it for me for now on the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. Let's actually test this glow in the dark one more time. All right, and as you can see, the box is still lighting up. Our phone is there just in time for Halloween as well, sitting on the desk. There it is. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the brand new 2A Plus. I'm filming in the dark right now. Hopefully I can see. But there you have it from Nothing. Be sure to subscribe. A lot more content coming soon. Be sure to follow me on various social media. All links in the description. As always, thanks for watching.